Well guys, I just got here. It is right over there. So it says Salon Suites. I just got here and I'm fixing to get out of the car. Alright, I'm out of the car and it's right there behind me. So I'm about to go get all my stuff chopped off. I will see you guys inside. It's Oberstadt, and we are here at Lather Beauty with Amanda.
Hi!
And she's going to be doing my donation haircut today. So I don't know how I'm going to edit this, whether or not you're going to get this in parts, but we will be recording 2 different videos today and discussing some hair topics, and we'll see how this goes. So keep watching if you want to see the donation process.
Alright, well, let's get started.
I don't remember not to cross my legs.
I know, it's a terrible habit that we all have. Alright, so we're going to be working with her beautiful long hair that is going to be donated to somebody in need. On this side, see a little bit of this. Long hair.
There's no product in it, nothing. Freshly washed and conditioned. I'm testing out a new Dove conditioner. I don't think I like the smell.
Yeah.
Can you smell it?
Not
It
really.
smells kind of perfumey.
Does it?
Yeah.
All right. So the goal is 20 inches.
At least, yes.
At least. So, let's see. So I will get 20 inches out.
I've had people like, don't cut more than 20 inches, your hair's so beautiful. Or I've had people say, don't cut it shorter than your chin length.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not like, I want to go shorter than my chin length. I don't like the way I look with really, really short hair. I've had short hair before. I was completely bald when I was 15.
Aw.
Chemo and radiation are nasty things.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. All right. So I'll part it in the middle. That way then you can get an idea as well. I know you've already sort of pre-measured, but just for the sake of this. Let's see.
And then my new growth is right about chin length when it's straight.
So 0 is right here.
Is that almost 30 inches? Because when I measured it, I could have swore it was like I was going to be stretching it maybe 20.
Let's see. Well, 0, I'll put the 0 mark kind of up here by the chin. So,
And I want to do somewhere between chin and shoulder.
yes. So all the way to the very tippy point, you'll be able to make that 20 inches.
Okay, that's what I kind of figured.
Cool. Okay, so it's going to be
Yeah, because this stuff is
right there.
So I figured somewhere between.
I'm absolutely positive that we got it. Yeah, that should be good. Cool. Okay, so obviously I'll have to go just slightly above where I cut. So,
And because my hair's wavy,
and because your hair's wavy, it's going to pop up anyway. So it's going to be probably about right there.
Yeah.
So,
Or even a little, like a hair shorter.
okay.
Or a
Yeah.
little shorter. Yeah. I've got a long neck. So the best way for cutting hair for donation, for those that don't know, is to part the hair into what they call 4 quadrants, which is basically from your forehead to the back of your ear, the whole front section by parting your hair down the middle, and then parting it off in the back with the last 2 sections. That's called a 4-quadrant part. And what it does is it allows the hair to be banded off into those different rubber bands to be separated out so that the hair isn't completely over-directed, which means pulling it against where it's currently growing. So you want the hair in a down position, basically coming from right behind the ear, going straight up, sectioning the hair off, and then coming down and banding it completely flat against the head. I brushed it this morning, but I got some snarls on it. Like a half of a wig is peeking in front. That's what this is. Even if you comb that straight and put that over there,
It'll still go where it wants to go.
Yep. My mom's got a really defined wig. They look like alligators.
Yeah.
I still have the old-fashioned duckbills.
Oh, do you? These ones hold way better
Yeah, they've
than
got
the old
teeth.
school ones. Mm-hmm.
Well, the ones that I brought you, those big oval ones, they have teeth. It's just my hair is just so darn thick and heavy that it just it's a shred. And they give up. Even bobby pins don't stay in my hair because even with it being thick and coarse, it's somehow too soft for some of those things to stay.
Mm-hmm.
You want me to take that out?
Oh, no, it's okay.
It's one thing I used to tell my clients when they come and sit in my chair is, oh, you're wearing earrings? That's okay, I'll just comb them out for you.
Yeah. Right? I know, sometimes it gets snagged.
Or I tell my customers, just leave your ears on my station.
Yeah.
Because no matter what, I always ended up combing somebody's ear.
Mm-hmm.
I just realized we turned it down.
Should I turn it down?
Well,
Will it interfere with the sound?
no, it'll demonetize me.
Oh. I can turn it off if you want. Or just at least way down or something.
Yeah. I just realized it was on.
Mm-hmm.
Shows you how, like, upset I am.
Well, I mean, you're excited. You know, I got a lot going on right now, so.
Well, let's see. I don't know if you saw my post on Instagram, but on the 2nd of April, somebody literally hit our dog, my dad's Chihuahua, in our front yard.
Oh my gosh.
And there's like nothing but cow pasture on one side of the road, so they, and he said that he was slowing down. Dad said it looked like the tire had got her, like he was trying to avoid her, and she was trying to get the hell out of Dodge, and she still has road rash on her forearm, but
Poor
it
thing.
took everything down to the meat. I thought for a minute that it took it down to the bone. So it's been fun
Yeah.
dealing with
That
that.
sounds like it. Alright, I'll turn this down.
Gee, Mom, my pigtails are crooked, but they match my eye makeup.
Yeah.
Take it up shorter than you do.
I'm actually trying to preserve as much length as I can initially. Are we going to be putting some layers in as well? Or just kind of like an all one?
Just a straight blunt cut. If I want layer, I can do a YouTube video on that and do it myself.
There you go.
But I've done haircutting videos on my channel before, and I've gotten a lot of questions about it.
Mm-hmm.
The biggest thing that I think is my pet peeve about when people cut their hair at home is they grab their regular kitchen scissors.
Yes.
Oh God. But then again, I've also had people ask why. Just take that off. Because it's going to move the hair different. But they don't realize, they don't understand why we hold our shears with our ring fingers. I've had people ask questions about that too. It's basically more about control because you figure you've got your pinky for your anchor.
Mm-hmm.
And with your ring finger being the weakest finger on your hand, when you go to cut, if you try using your middle finger, you're just going to end up cutting yourself. Done that a couple times.
Keeps it more balanced.
Yeah. I don't even hold regular scissors. Like this.
I know, I don't either.
Maybe it's the hairdresser in us.
It is. 100%. All right, so you do have like a slight angle, like your hair kind of goes down into a V a little bit. So I'm just trying to make sure that we can preserve as much of the 20 inches even towards the front as we can.
And I haven't, other than like taking an inch off of my hair like a few months ago, I literally have not cut my hair in a year. And last time I cut it, I cut like 7 inches of it off. And then the year before that, I cut 14. And I was like, you know, I'm cutting like 7 to 14 inches off my hair in a year. I should just donate it.
Absolutely.
My hair grows pretty quick.
There are always people that definitely need it. So I think it's really cool you're doing that.
I got an email after I posted my giveaway video like 2 or 3 days ago. Some guy emailed me wanting to buy my hair. And I was like, I'll sell it. But the thing is the money will still go to donate.
Yeah.
Because I guess they think people still have like a grand laying around because on their website, when you go to fill out the form to donate your hair, it says on there, we recommend also sending in a $1,000 donation with your hair. And I'm like, I'm
sure they do.
I'm lucky I got $100 sitting in my bank, right? You know, a grand. Granted, my dad has that kind of money. I don't.
Yeah. Most people don't just like have that sitting around.
So that one was higher up.
Yeah. Alrighty, ready?
Yeah.
So exciting!
Get it off! Get it off!
I'll go towards this camera so that we can watch it go. Oh, first cut.
I am like super tender headed, and it's funny, like people don't realize how sensitive some people's scalps are. You can touch one hair on my head somewhere, and I can tell you exactly where it's connected.
Here it is. First one. Alright, I'll do the next one for this camera. Camera 1, camera 2.
Uh-oh, I just pulled the gray one out.
Nope.
And we didn't need that one anyway. It was only like 4 inches long.
Yeah.
I remember I was getting my shampoo, just a shampoo and a blowout at the salon. When one of my coworkers had found my first gray hair, I was like 25. So much later.
Oh my gosh, I bet. Goodbye, headaches.
Oh, I suffer from migraines, and with my hair this long, I've been getting them like several times a week.
That's something a lot of people don't understand. They're like, don't cut your hair, it's so long, it's so pretty. And it's like, well, for one, we live in Florida, it's very hot. And then for two, it gets heavy.
Yes, especially mine. And people are like, oh, your hair doesn't look like it's coarse. And I can hold one hair up in front of the camera, and they're like, oh, maybe it is. I'm part Native American. My dad's dad was born in Germany, so.
So you are blessed with good, thick hair.
This length right here, where it's cut in the front, is like right about where I was.
Pretty much where you want, yeah. Cool.
Now, usually, when I left my hair like this because I had it in a bun last night, usually my hair naturally parts.
Kind of to the side. Okay, cool.
But I mean, if you cut it so that it's the center part,
then you can flip-flop it. Yeah. I bet that already feels so much better.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Well, it already
It's
looks
like,
amazing.
where's my hair going?
I know, you're going to wake up in the middle of the night and be like, oh my gosh.
I woke up this morning and I was laying on my hair and I went to sit up and I'm like, yeah. And my biggest thing is I absolutely hate having hair on top of my face. Absolutely cannot stand it. I didn't realize I'd gotten in the car, but I had my headband on from doing my makeup. And I had one hair up here that was like the whole freaking time touching my eyes, getting stuck in my lashes or touching my nails. But like, I always stuff my hair behind my ear. So as long as my hair is long enough to do that, I am perfectly okay.
Yeah.
The other thing is even like my short stuff is like all of my new growth was right about that length. So I was like, yeah, that's probably a good idea if my baby hairs are that long. So.
Perfect.
I asked my dad, I was like, you think my cat's gonna recognize me?
Your cat's gonna say, who's this? Do you want me to put that in the bag for you?
That's one thing I didn't bring is a Ziploc bag.
Yeah, that's okay. Just put it right in here.
How are you?
All right.
Yeah. How often do you find virgin hair that's that long?
Right.
Doesn't get heat treated or chemically treated.
All right. Well, we can come on over and get you shampoo. Okay.
Hey guys, it's Rebecca Oberstadt. So this is going to be like a follow-up video. I am splitting these videos up into 3 parts. So you have the first part of which you're watching right now, or you just finished watching, which is the major chop haircut. So I went ahead, these are the forms that I printed for the wigs for kids. It basically, you go on their website. I will leave the link down below, and you put in your information, and it, you know, they give you this. You don't have to have this, but it's nice to have. That way they know that, you know, you're donating, and then they've got an address here for you to mail it to. And there's like guidelines and stuff for your stylist to fill out. But so these are the forms that, well, at least one of them is going in the mail with my hair. So I brought my tape measure in here, and I'm going to be measuring out the hair that was cut, and the hair that was cut off of me yesterday is in this bag. Now, like I discussed in the video, you want to cut the hair in at least 4 sections because of the way that your hair falls naturally on your scalp. Usually people have hair that's shorter in the front versus the back. So what this is you band off the hair with, and these are like the non-tug, non-pull, non-slip rubber bands. And it's just easier to use these because not only does it not pull the hair, but they're super easy to get off, and they don't like gum up and get sticky like regular rubber bands do. So this is one section of my hair that was cut, and then I've got the other 3 here, and I'm going to go ahead and lay it out, and then we're going to measure it. So usually they say to measure from the band, but because I've got a good 1/2 inch of hair above it, I'm going to put that right there at that spot. Oop, the rubber band just came off. I hope I didn't lose any hair in that. Well, without brushing it out, it comes to about 22 inches. Yeah, about 22 inches, but I don't want to mess with it too much because I don't want to lose any more hair. And just to be safe, I'm going to grab a couple more of these little guys out. This little thing here, I bought it like the Dollar Tree. So they're pretty handy. I'm going to go ahead and band that a little further down that way, just in case it doesn't lose any more hair. Like that. And this is stuff that would get cut off anyways or pulled out, so I'm not worried about losing that. Oh, it did lose hair. Okay, so because I lost hair in that last one, I went ahead and double banded all of these up towards the top. And I'm going to go ahead and measure this one. This is from a front piece. So the front piece is right at about 20 inches. Maybe 19 inches. And then here's the other back piece. And that's right about 20 inches as well. So here's the three that didn't lose hair. So this is what I'm going to be donating. If you want to see the actual like hairstyle cut, then that will be the next video that I post on the channel. And then the last video, because I split it up into, I like recorded in 3 parts, and then my big camera ran out of battery like towards the last part of it. So this is going to be in 3 parts. You're going to have the initial donation haircut, then you're going to have the shampoo and styling cut, and then the last part of it is going to be just a style and blowout and the thinning that she did at the ends of my hair, because my hair is excruciatingly thick. So this video will be split up. Instead of one 2-hour-long video, it's going to be 3 separate parts. So hopefully you guys enjoy. If you do, definitely leave me a comment below. If you have any questions about hair donation, I will be recording a video on that separate. This was Amanda's first time ever doing a donation haircut. So I will sit down and record a separate video for that. So if you have any questions about what the requirements are to donate hair, what I would recommend for like websites to use, or if you want to like look to grow your hair, to cut it, to sell it, there are several good websites for that are legitimate. You've got a bunch of different options. So if you have questions on that, leave that in the comment section down below. I will definitely be addressing all of those in an upcoming video. And hopefully you guys enjoy this. Please feel free to give me a thumbs up and a comment, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video doing the actual shampoo and the style cuts. I will see you guys then.